This video is for educational purposes only. Uploading it in any social media platform is not allowed. Our topic is all about active and passive voices. Let us have our objectives. At the end of the lesson, you should be able to learn and understand about passive voice and active voice. Use the passive and the active voice meaningfully in sentences. I have here some example of sentences, and I want you to observe their differences, okay? Number 1, Mother cooked spaghetti last night. Last night, the spaghetti was cooked by Mother. Sandra ate the cake. The cake was eaten by Sandra. So, asa nga sentence ang mas dali sabton? The left or the right? Okay, usually class, diri nga side, saan diri nga side? Usually, mauni siya ang ginagamit. Especially kung kanang ipasulat mo og mga sentences sa inyong teacher, kanigid nga pattern ang inyong ginagamit. And that is what we call the active voice. Ang katong other nga sentence is called the passive voice. So what is active and passive voice? When we say active voice, it is when the subject performs the action or verb on the object. Mauni siya ang subject sa sentence, ang doer, ang gabuhat sa action. Okay? On the other hand, passive voice, the subject being acted upon. Ang subject, ang receiver sa action. Okay? So we have here the formula. In active voice, we have the subject plus action plus object. In the passive, we have the object plus action plus subject. Okay? Remember this formula. It is very important in constructing the sentence and in identifying the active and the passive voice. So we have here an example. The students cleaned the room. The students is our subject, action or the verb is cleaned, and the object is the room. Oh, look at the color. On the other hand, the room was cleaned by the students. Our object is the room, action, cleaned, subject by the student. So, the receiver of the action was the students. See, as you can see. And here, the students are the doer of the action. So, ingana ang difference sa duha. Gets? Additional rule. In passive voice, as you have observed in our example, makita ginato nga naay be verb plus past participle. Diba? We already discussed what is past participle. Mao na siya ang ikatulo nga verb. Eat, ate, eaten. So, inga na ang past participle. Be verb, example, am, are, is in the present. Was or were in the past tense. In our first example, we have here, Mother cooked spaghetti last night. Who is our subject? Mother. How about our action? Cooked. Our object? Spaghetti. Since it is past tense, as you can see, last night is a past tense, then we are going to use was or were. It is singular, so we are going to use was. In passive voice, it's stated like this. Last night, the spaghetti was cooked by Mother. So, the spaghetti is our object. Cooked is our verb or the action being done. Mother is our subject. See, observe that our verb, there was a verb be. Mao ni siya ang was. Kung mabantayan ninyo class, mabantayan ninyo nga ang passive voice, there is be plus past participle. In active voice, wala, diretso na siya, subject plus action plus object. Sandra ate the cake. The cake was eaten by Sandra. Ang subject is Sandra, the action ate, and the object cake. Here, it is in passive form. It is because the word ate will become eaten, become past participle. The was our verb be, and Sandra is our subject. Our object is the cake. Okay, gets? Sabtan? I have here an example, some example of sentences. This time, I want you to identify the sentence, if it is passive or active. Example number 1. The sentence is stated like this. The rowdy kids trampled the flowers. Is it active or passive? Okay, very good. That is active. So we have here the subject, and this is our verb or the action, and this is our object. So how you are going to state it in a passive form? Okay. Flowers were trampled by rowdy kids. So our verb be were. Our past participle is trampled. Okay, how about this one? The ball was hit by the batter. Is it passive or active? Okay, this is passive. How you are going to state it in an active form? The batter hit the ball. Okay, very good. So, kabalo naman mo. This time, I want you to answer pages 337 and 378. Activity 4 and Activity 6. Thank you and God bless.